Hello everyone. First of all, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I am Tulsi Kada, Principal of Sandesh Public School. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. On behalf of Sandesh Public School family, dear parents and viewers, we welcome you aboard. I am happy to inform you that we are connecting with you on our YouTube channel. Main part of our life is the education. On this motive, we are providing their online classes and hope so you all are appreciated and supporting us. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Today I am here telling something about what is school. Let's take look at why school is so important to children of all ages and adult too. It's very necessary, and I have 7 points here. We'll describe to one by one. And first point is confident. As you know that when we are standing in front of others, that time we have need lots of confidence, and the small community give us a sense of belonging and safe place to experiment. But the school give us providing lots of methods how can we represent ourselves and standing in front of others. This is the basic and important part of our personality is confident. And second one is socialization. As you know that human are social animal and we need people around us to survive. Yes, even online schools can be excellent way to build a network of friends and a strong community. This is the fact nowadays the main powerful of the media. Third point is also very important is teamwork. Without teamwork we are nothing to it. Friendship are not only important relationship that can be built through the school. A school environment effort students opportunity to learn to work together, because school providing work together, every work together. There are all students connected to each other. They are belong to different communities, different religions, but work together. Other important part is preparation. School is crucial in preparation children to home their future slaves. This is the part of our daily routine is preparation. When we are able to understand everything, and when we know what I am and set my goals, then we have need to preparation how can achieve our goals. And next one is information. This is the most important part of our daily life is information. Without information we are nothing, because when there are what is big brand and different kind of things daily processing here, but if we have no information then I am ill person, I am nothing to do it. So main part is this, how can we received true information from its school. They are providing always great and true information to the community, to the person, to the other things. And next is inspiration, because when we set our goals and we do all the things, I have lots of capacity, but lack of the inspiration, I am nothing. Because when we are set our goals, we have need to inspiration. School has not only applies to develop lifelong friendship work, strategy and career goals, but it also functional on a primary meanings of inspiration. Everyone who achieve the goal, their credit goes to his inspirations. And we need to inspiration, you need to inspiration, and this is the fact of our success. And one of the last and most important point is community. A school can functions as the center of the person. Community can act as a meeting place. Student with the help of the community of learn, it creates. Because without community, we are nothing. Community is the part of our daily routine, because we all are share our experience, think about to need a community. What I am doing, what I am is that time. Everything sharing need to community. Today's there are the 7 main points will described here. What is the importance of school? And I request to all the parents and viewers, in this difficult time, you are supporting our kids how to learn they at home. Stay home, safe home. This is very necessary, but study is also necessary. And we are trying to providing online classes here, our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.